Hey folks, happy handpanuary. Today's theme is ease and today's pattern is one of my favourites because it just feels, so easy once you get it, and you can really just like flow with it. It's so satisfying. So here's what it looks like. Also feels like it just can go on forever, especially on the pygmy scale. It's so beautiful. So let's break that down a little bit, shall we? So we've got ding, 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, ding. Right? All kind of hand to hand until you get to the switch around where you come back down. And that's the turnaround, right? Ding, 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, ding, ding, 1, 3, 4, 4, 1, 3, ding, ding, 1, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. If me saying numbers is confusing to you and you'd rather see it written down, which some of us need, you can join the Patreon, find it on there, as I always say. And if you'd like to support handpanuary, I would really appreciate it. But let's make it a little bit more badass, shall we? So when we get this double strike up here, that second strike, we're going to bring that right hand in for that tack sound. Now, the tricky thing here is that you want the tack to be nice and strong and sharp, but you want the strike on the note to be nice and gentle. Right, so you've got this. This like half-time badass like happening. Yeah. But you're keeping it real, keeping it chill for that melody. And then the second part to this, you'll be pleased to hear, is so easy because all we're doing is moving this left thumb strike this way. That's it. We move from note 1 to note 2 and absolutely everything else stays the same. That's why today's theme is ease. I feel like this pattern would work really nicely on a kurd as well. Less so on a low pygmy because these two notes would clash. Anyway, I digress. So, all together, nice and steady, we have this. I missed it. Change. So nice, slow as well. And of course, that double note on note 4, you can move it around. So whatever happens, I'm keeping this pattern of 2 here and then 2 over here the same all the way. But then this melody hand, we're moving that to other notes like this. From that pattern and then play something else and then come back to it. yeah, I really like that slow, but it's also, it feels nice in the body when you speed it up as well. Trying to get fancy. Anyway, I get carried away. You see how much I love this one? This might be one of my favourites for the month. But I will leave you to your practice. Sorry for encroaching on your space there while you're trying to chill out. I'm just like getting excited because it's so easy once you get into that pattern. Once you get into it, I'm saying that obviously first you have to build up that skill. I'm not saying it's easy straight away. If you're struggling, don't panic. But once it clicks, it just feels so good. Anyway, have fun with that one. Enjoy your day, and I will see you. Yeah, I will see you.